President Trump's first term, American companies were forbidden from working with Huawei, which effectively cut off its access to Play Store and services. Now Trump is back in office, has started another trade war with China, so rumors are swirling that Chinese smartphone makers are looking for a backup plan in case they follow the same fate as Huawei. Speaking of Huawei, it built its own platform, HarmonyOS. Now with Xiaomi, Oppo, Vivo and OnePlus along with Huawei are exploring to build a Google-free version of Android. Rumor has it that HyperOS 3 will start laying the groundwork for such a move. It's unclear how much different will brands collaborate on this project or what Huawei's involvement will be. Huawei went as far as removing Android apps compatibility from its platform. Would Xiaomi and other companies do the same, or will they adopt Huawei's Ark Compiler, Petal Maps, etc.? That remains unclear for now. Global market share by company shows that Xiaomi is the biggest phone maker in China, followed closely by Huawei, then it is Oppo and Vivo for the third and fourth spot. These companies accounted for two-thirds of smartphones shipped in China in Q1 this year. While Huawei lost its global dominance, Xiaomi, Vivo and Oppo are in the top 5 globally, so if they start selling Google-free phones, it will have a major impact on the global market.